Kami po ay nagbabalik dito sa Premier Volleyball League Open Conference. Of course, here with me, Billy Capistrano and Alfred Valbuena. At nakuha nga ng young team na Lady Maroons ang set number 1 kontra sa Lady Jet Spikers.
Yeah, pero Lady Jet Spikers ang nanalo at ng first set against the Lady Maroons. Yeah,
Lady Jet Spikers ang nanalo kontra sa Lady Maroons. My mistake on that.
Yeah. Well, yun, syempre, as we all know, Lady Maroons, young team, Jet Spikers, a veteran team. Syempre, mas may advantage pa rin yung Lady Jet Spikers dahil mas may experience sila, veteran team sila. And yung puso nila sa paglalaro nandun. Kitang-kita nung crucial moments nung nag-set point na talagang binigay nila lahat para manalo lang yung set. And crucial errors na rin nangyari sa Lady Maroons noon nung pa-end yung set. 2 unforced errors or crucial errors na rin coming from Molde na alam natin she's one of the top guns for the UP team.
Yes. So you can really see that even with great players such as Isa Molde and Tots Carlos, if you are a young team at parang yung options mo for offense, dalawa lang, then the other team will have that advantage because sabi mo nga kanina, mababasa nila yung mga gagawin nyo.
Yes, talagang basado yung play eh. Alam na ng Jet Spikers kung saan dadalhin yung bola, kung sinong tao nasa harapan, kaninong dadalhin yung bola. So talagang sarado, bantay sarado na yung mga Lady Maroons nun.
Exactly. So let's see kung paano mag-a-adjust itong Lady Maroons team dito sa set number 2. Now the Lady Jet Spikers are trailing by 1. 2-1 is our score right now. Once again, reminding everyone to keep tweeting us at ABS-CBN Sports gamit ang hashtag na PVL on ABS-CBN. And of course, you can tweet us on our personal Twitter accounts. That's at Billy Capis and at Alfred Valbuena. As we go back to this game, May and Pantino, but great blocking by Ganaban and Tots Carlos. Galit si Tots Carlos sa set number 2. Gusto makabawi, kitang-kita. Kailing saves that one. Isa Molde. May and Pantino saw that opening and went for it.
Yeah, pansin mo dito, nagbago ng rotation si Coach Jerry. Pinalaro ngayon ni Coach Jerry yung king standout na si Bernardo as a middle blocker na pinalitan si Ramos. And let's see kung magdo-dominate or talagang siya yung makakuha ng spark for the UP team coming off the bench.
Let's see. Of course, dito sa PVL, madami mga spark plugs na talagang gumagawa for their team. One example would be Jessie De Leon from the Lady Warriors. So let's see kung ang Lady Maroons, tama ba yung bunot, yung magic bunot ni Coach Jerry Yee.
Minsan kailangan lang isang team yung spark para magtuloy-tuloy, manalo, makuha ng energy. Yeah, like yun nga sabi mo si Jessie De Leon, I remember before na she really gave the Lady Warriors that spark na upang manalo. They were down ata 2 sets noon. Then nanalo pa sila ng 5 sets. No? So yun, let's see kung si Bernardo ba yung ganun for the Lady Maroons.
We will see if she will deliver dahil siya nga ang magic bunot ni Coach Jerry Yee. Pero itong Lady Jet Spikers medyo nakakalamang na sila. 5-2 ang score natin.
Yeah, minsan talaga nangyayari sa UP if natatalo sila ng first set. Talagang bumababa yung level nila coming to the second set.
And we have some tweets from you guys. This one is from Mond Vertusio. I wouldn't get surprised if one day Ayal Estranero plays middle blocker, all-around player. Anong masasabi mo doon, Alfred?
Mukhang magiging middle blocker na rin ata siya.
Kaya ba?
Kaya.
Siguro in the next game, yung abangan natin.
Tignan natin.
Tanong natin kay Coach Jerry kung may plano siya maging middle blocker si Ayal.
Si Ayal kasi talaga all-around player.
Okay, tama. And of course, he would like to say hi to Mother Malu Neri and get well soon to our director, Direk Al Neri, na nakatutok ngayon sa live stream. Hi, Mother, and hi, Direk.
Get well soon, Direk.
Miss na namin kayo. And so sad that you're not here, but we hope that you're enjoying this game between our two teams, Lady Jet Spikers and Lady Maroons. The girls in white are now up 6-2 ang score natin ngayon. Of course, Angel Atepuesto will be serving for the Lady Jet Spikers. Kailing will send to Estranero. Iya Yonko sends it to the other side. Soft touch from her. Tots Carlos! Exclamation point.
Yan na, si Tots Carlos. Ito yung hinahanap natin kay Tots Carlos na talaga yung mga palong gano'n na maaasahan siya na one stop. Siyempre, kailangan ng UP yung naghahabol sila. They are down 3 points. And they need to win this set in order to, siyempre, makuha ng confidence na rin. And malay mo, makuha pa nila yung game.
Exactly. And I'm pretty sure if the Lady Maroons, they win this game, sobrang kumpiyansa yung makukuha nila. As I've said a while ago, even one set against a veteran team, iba na yung nangyayari sa paglaro nila. Siyempre, mas nabibigyan sila ng energy. And the Lady Jet Spikers are now up 7-4. Lady Maroons trailing behind by 3. Medyo nawawala ng energy itong young team na ito as compared to the veterans. But still fighting it out. So much talent in this team.
Yun. Another point from Tots Carlos. Talagang kailangan ng UP ngayon na tulungan yung mga gumagawa.
Exactly.
Like si Tots Carlos and Isa Molde. Siguro kailangan si Ganaban or kahit si Ayel, kahit depensa na lang ang makontribute nila. Siyempre, makakatulong na rin yun for the UP team.
But of course, they need to step up big time. Kailing was there to step up last set. Tingnan natin kung sino magsa-step up para sa kanila. They go to Isa Molde. Balmaceda was there. They go to Mayan Pantino. Smart move once again by Mayan Pantino as we go to our first technical timeout of the second set. Lady Jet Spikers at 8, Lady Maroons at 5. The volleyball action will continue right here on SNA Livestream. And the first Kami po ay nagbabalik dito sa Premier Volleyball League Open Conference. Ako po si Billy Capistrano at kasama ko ngayon si Alfred Valbuena. This is a game between the Lady Jet Spikers and the Lady Maroons. Nakuha nga ng Lady Jet Spikers ang set number 1 at lumalaban pa rin itong Lady Maroons dito sa set number 2.
Yeah, napapansin ko sa mga Lady Jet Spikers, ang ganda ng defense nila.
Yes.
For defense sa blocking, kahit ma-block nila, ang bilis na reflex sila, naaangat kagad yung bola, coverage. Well, kailangan talaga yun as a team gumagalaw. And naka-convert nila into a point yung nakukuha nilang defense eh.
Alam mo, itong Lady Jet Spikers team, Alfred, sabi mo nga, very good in defense. Pero nung previous conference, I guess a lot of people were disappointed with how that conference turned out for them.
Yes.
And that was a surprise for a lot of us.
Yeah, Billy. Alam natin na madami silang 5-setter games na alam natin up sila ng 2 sets or 1 set na lang kailangan ng panalunin. Pupunta pa sa decision set, 5th set na natalo pa sila. Parang nakakapanghinayang yun sa isang team, lalo na like the Lady Jet Spikers. Alam natin na kayang-kaya nilang mag-rank sa league na to. Kilala yung mga players like si Wendy Samana nga, one of the greatest setters in the league, in the volleyball, and si Yari.
Definitely.
Maasahan sa opensa.
Of course, si Iya Yonko, si Yari Yonko, talagang she's making a name for herself here in the PVL. Kung makikita mo siya, she's constantly improving. And that's a great thing to see in a player na syempre hindi ka na college, you're already in the pro leagues, but you're still you're still continuously improving, and that's something that we should commend her for.
Yes. Bawat araw, every league talagang gusto pa rin niya mag-improve, mag-excel, i-redeem yung self niya, makilala, syempre, tsaka matulungan lang yung volleyball league natin.
Yes, exactly. And of course, inaanyayahan po natin yung mga viewers sa live stream na mag-tweet sa amin at ABS-CBN Sports gamit ang hashtag na PVL on ABS-CBN. We want to know your thoughts on this game. At grabe, nagulat ako doon. We have Lori Lynn Bernardo.
Yeah, yan na ata yung spark na hinahintay natin.
Sabi mo nga kanina, hinihintay natin kung anong magagawa niya. At yun yung gusto niyang ipakita sa mga viewers natin ngayon. Not only dito sa Phil Oil Flying V Center, kundi sa mga nanonood via live streaming. We have Lori Lynn Bernardo, the rookie from King's High School. making her presence felt here in set number 2.
Yeah, Lady Jet Spikers talagang ginagamit ngayon yung mga kamay ng blockers ng Lady Maroons upang makakuha ng point. Lahat ng palo nila ngayon halos off the block. Siyempre, mahihirapan yung depensa ng Lady Maroons. Hirapan mabasa. Nag-iiba yung direction pag tumatama sa kamay.
Exactly.
Alam mo yung nakapwesto ka, nakita mo na yung bola. Pero pag tumama sa kamay,
Iba pala.
Iba yung direction ng ball. Mahirapan ka, hindi makuha. Yan.
So great adjustment there by the Lady Maroons. They are now trailing just by 2. 11-9 ang score natin. Lady Jet Spikers trying to extend this lead. We have Iya Yonko. And she does well. Iya Yonko with that point. Lady Jet Spikers now at 12. Lady Maroons at 9.
Ibabaw yung palo ni Yonko nun. Talagang solid na malinis na hindi nakapa ng mga blockers eh. Using her height there, height advantage, you know.
Of course, Iya Yonko, one of the taller players we have on the court, using, once again, you said, her height to her advantage, and it's really working for her and her team. Bernardo fighting it out against the veterans. Iya Yonko sends it to the other side. Kailing will give it to Tots Carlos, blocked by Angel Antepuesto.
Yeah, Antepuesto rin, kilala natin na magaling na blocker yan for the Lady Jet Spikers. Talagang sila yung topic, mga middle blockers ng Lady Jet Spikers, maaasahan sa blocking eh.
Siyempre kasi matangkad rin talaga sila. I mean, looking at this Lady Jet Spikers team, they're pretty tall as compared to the other team.
And maganda yung timing ng mga blockers eh. So ngayon, let's go to some tweets. Let's read some tweets, Billy. Coming from Stair Cases or Cases.
Cases kasi.
Okay, sige.
I think na-confuse mo siya kay Joy Cases.
101, sorry. 4 hours rotational brownout dito sa amin sa Leyte. Pero di ko pa rin papalagpasin manood ng PVL. Trauma and stress reliever po kasi.
Oh, I do believe na nagka-earthquake sa Leyte last weekend, last Friday. We all hope that everyone watching from Leyte, you're keeping safe and you're all in our prayers. I know that happened. I was out of the country. I saw it sa Twitter.
6.5 magnitude ata, one of the strongest.
It was a strong earthquake. We hope that everyone's okay. And sana kahit na, yun nga, sinabi mo na trauma and may stress, sana sa papanood nyo dito sa amin sa PVL, medyo na-alleviate ng konti yung stress at yung trauma. So maraming salamat po sa inyong panonood. And kaya exciting tong game na to para sa inyo, diba?
Yeah, syempre, sana lahat kayo dyan safe pa rin and palaging handa lang tayo sa kung anong mangyayari. Hindi natin kasi ma-predict like this earthquake or kahit yung mga bagyo. Hindi natin maalam kung kailan dadating. So kailangan palagi lang tayong handa sa mga calamities na dadating sa atin. So.
And segue ko na, dahil dapat lagi tayong handa, dapat handa rin tayo. Dahil itong Lady Jet Spikers, medyo lumalamang na sila. So ang Lady Maroons, they really need to play catch-up. And they've been doing that this whole second set. Now the score is at 15-19. Medyo lumulobo na ang lead ng Lady Jet Spikers, Alfred.
Yes, talagang pinapaikot-ikot na ni Coach Jerry yung bench na ngayon, pinasok na niya si Dorog. Talagang hinahanap niya yung magandang combination ng players niya eh. Hindi niya makita-kita. First set pa lang, talagang ilang palitan na nangyayari. Ngayon, ilang palitan ulit na nangyayari for the Lady Maroons na sana ngayon, okay na, mabuo na yung team nila.
Yes, tama ka dyan, Alfred. Now, as we go to our second technical timeout of the second set, the Lady Jet Spikers are now leading 16-9. The volleyball action will continue right here on SNA Livestream. Kami po ay nagbabalik dito sa Premier Volleyball League Open Conference. Ako po si Billy Capistrano and with me today is Alfred Valbuena, the birthday boy. Kung may mga greetings kayo para kay Alfred, naku, i-tweet niyo lamang kami at ABS-CBN Sports gamit ang hashtag na PVL on ABS-CBN. And of course, we have some tweets from you guys right on cue. This one is from Gabriel Micaela. Go, Tots Carlos, laban lang, UP fight. Yes, Tots Carlos talagang isa sa mga bright spots ng UP team na ito. And here's another tweet I think you should read.
Yeah, sige. All for IL. Go at IL Astranero, 17. Go UP laban.
Hindi rin siya halatang fan ni IL, diba?
Yeah. Hindi talaga fan ni IL yan eh.
Pero
sa Twitter name pa lang.
All for IL. Yes. Naku, ang dami-daming fans ng mga UP Lady Maroons. Nasaan naman yung fans ng Lady Jet Spikers? Kung nanonood kayo ngayon, i-tweet nyo naman kami para mabati namin kayo at kung meron kayong mga mensahe para sa mga idolo nyo. And as we go back to this game, ultimately, itong Lady Jet Spikers, they're doing their thing here in the second set. Score now is at 17-9. Let's see kung paano mag-a-adjust ang Lady Maroons sa biglang pagbuhay na itong Lady Jet Spikers.
Talagang lumalayo ngayon yung Lady Jet Spikers. 9-point lead. Nagko-collapse na ata yung offense ng Lady Maroons yun. Kasi nakita ko, maganda naman yung defense nila. Nagko-communicate naman sila sa defense. Pero pagdating sa offense, medyo nawawala. Like kanina, yung bigay ni Kailing kay Bernardo, miscommunication na di nahawakan ni Bernardo yung bola doon. And it seems na kailangan pa nilang mag-usap pagdating sa offense nila eh.
I couldn't agree with you more, Alfred. And alam mo, the thing is, if you have, only 2 or 3 players who are your go-to options in terms of offense, kung off day sila, dyan ka madadali.
Yes.
I mean, other players, they need to step up when those go-to players aren't performing so well. But the thing is, kung wala silang kumpiyansa dahil hindi naman sila usually nagko-contribute, parang hindi magiging maganda yung kinalabasan ng laro nila.
Yeah, minsan kasi hindi mo ini-expect na ipapasok ka.
Oo.
Pero syempre kailangan ka pa rin handa sa mga instances na ngayon, like ang dami ng pinalitan ni Coach Jerry sa mga players niya na syempre kailangan handa ka tumulong for a team. Tumulong na manalo yung team and play your game. Yung role nung pinalitan mo, punan mo.
Yes.
Alam mong syempre nagka-collapses siya sa mga siguro sabihin natin sa offense. Kailangan ibigay mo yung best mo sa pag-offense mo.
Dapat you have to compensate for what that other player is lacking. And naiintindihan siguro natin yung kung bakit si Coach Jerry, he's trying to let a lot of players play and include them in the rotation dahil syempre it's a preview for what's to come nga in the UAAP. So they're trying to find their rhythm, what works for them para mas prepared sila sa league na talagang, something
yung
that
major league
yung
nila.
major league nila, so to speak. Syempre collegiate team ang Lady Maroons. Now the Lady Jet Spikers still at 19, Lady Maroons at 12. So we can see that this young team, they're trying to play catch up with our veteran team. Pero nakaangat na naman itong Lady Jet Spikers, 20-12.
Yeah, talagang UP ngayon, hindi natin masasabi kung ano nangyayari sa kanila. Parang di na sila nag-e-enjoy kasi syempre ang laki na nga ng lamang ng Lady Jet Spikers. Pero minsan kailangan mag-enjoy ka pa rin. Huwag kang mag-give up na malayo pa, 5 points pa. Alam mong kaya pa ng team mo, tiwala lang siguro sa sarili mo tsaka sa teammates mo na magtulungan kayo. Hindi lang yung mag-give up ng bigla na alam mong malayo na like that, si Ayala Estaniero, talagang susulputan ng bigla sa defense.
Laban. And now, it seems like the Lady Maroons are wide awake. And a miscommunication on the part of Tapik and Semana, and that point will go to the Lady Maroons. Sayang yun. Parang nagkatinginan lang sila. Siguro akala nila that the other would be getting that ball.
Yeah, communication talaga sobrang important yan, Billy, sa paglalaro ng volleyball. Kasi talagang wala namang utak yung bola. Talagang kayo yung mag-uusap. Yung bola may air lang sa loob. Gagalaw lang siya pag ginalaw mo.
Of course, communication is so important. It seems to be working well aside from that glitch, working well for the Lady Jet Spikers dahil 21-13 na ang score natin. Looking to get away with set number 2. Lady Maroons have to come up with something. They have to get that momentum back para naman makaangat ng konti. At hinayaan lang ni Tots Carlos ang bola na yon. Service ace for the Lady Jet Spikers.
Yes, mga errors na talaga ng UP nag-build up na ngayon, nagpa-pile up na. Dumadami na habang tumatagal yung game na sobrang unhealthy yan for a team na alam natin na gusto nilang manalo. So, kailangan magbawas talaga ng errors.
Of course, errors yan yung kalaban ng players because yun yung mga mistakes na hindi naman dapat pero nandun na rin. Those are the mistakes that you know you shouldn't commit pero hindi na iiwasan syempre. Or kayang iwasan rather. And we have Andres coming in for Joy Cases, a new face here on the court. Actually, we have yung tatlong players natin na bagong labas dito. We have Andaya and Cabalsa.
Yeah, new faces for me na
Oo.
maglalaro. Na, syempre, ngayon ako ulit nakapag-live stream. Ngayon ko lang sila makita
Kung
maglaro.
mapapansin mo nga, yung mga naka-buzz cut, sila yung mga new players dito sa team ng Lady Jet Spikers. Because if I am not mistaken, si Del Palomata, she sat out the previous conference and nakita ko naka-buzz cut siya. So I'm guessing all those na nag-buzz cut yung nag-sit out sa previous conference.
Yes, siguro tinawag
May
sila,
duty,
may
oo.
duty. On duty sila ngayon. As siyempre alam natin, may nangyayari sa Marawi. So,
Mga sundalo yan.
yes.
And the Lady Jet Spikers continue their scoring streak. 23-15 ang score natin ngayon. Looking to get away with set number 2. We have Josemer Tapik, Neneng Tapik serving for the girls in white. And a misreceive right there on the part of the Lady Maroons. Vina Vera Alinas. At set point na nga itong Lady Jet Spikers, Alfred.
Yeah. Kailangan ng Lady Maroons coming to the third set. Kailangan nila mag-recompose. Kailangan nila hanapin yung rhythm nila. Laruin ulit nila ng first set. Pero kailangan mas bigyan ng intensity. Kailangan mas pakita nila na driven sila maglaro, driven sila manalo. Kasi yun yung parang nawawala sa kanila. Enjoyment rin pala sa loob ng court. Na parang bawat point nila hindi sila nag-celebrate. Kasi minsan mas okay mag-celebrate ka pag naka-point ka.
Exactly.
Para mawala yung kaba mo, sabihin
Oo.
natin kaba or yung pressure sa...
Intention rin. Pero itong Lady Jet Spikers, 24-16, make that 25-16, and they win set number 2. Lady Maroons down by 2 sets. Tingnan natin kung makakahabol pa itong Lady Maroons o kung papanalunan na ng Lady Jet Spikers ang laro natin ngayon. Of course, the volleyball action will continue right here on S&A Livestream.